No, no, sir.
Because I can never hear that piece thing.
But
How would a girl it? Should you think you are a country?
no video don't come. But guys, today was super fun. But yeah, Cherry. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. So I think 3 days ago we bought a fridge, which is what I'm trying to clean up and unpack right now. But y'all, I don't know if I made me through the first fridge I did buy was a small fridge. It never have so much work. No, because this is a bigger fridge. I know some have to clean out the drawers, clean out the fridge. We actually left it for 2 days, and while we left it for 2 days, I don't know why I wasn't thinking about cleaning up the fridge, so that, you know, on the third day. Well, when we bought the fridge, I think it was Tuesday and today Friday. Or was it Wednesday? I think it's Tuesday we bought the fridge Tuesday and today is Friday. So obviously we're gonna plug it in now. I did not even know that you're supposed to wait at least 48 hours before you plug in your new fridge. But Angela tell me so when we got the first fridge, that was the same thing. I honestly don't remember. But anyways, take off the plastic then. And I forgot wash out the jars, wipe out the fridge. Yo, it's a lot of work, okay? So that's the first thing for this vlog. Oh shit. So guys, remember me telling you we are running out of space. The fridge will buy is too big for the kitchen. Another reason why I said we'll really outgrow the space, because I can't get out the dryer, so I forgot to turn the fridge a particular way in order for me to take out the drawer, for wash it and so, and take out the other things then. Yo, I have a task, I'm feeling very hungry right now, so I'm going to just start this, sort out what I sort out, and then I'll come back to it. So the day we bought the fridge was a complete mess, right? We bought the fridge, we went downtown to buy the fridge, right? And it was because it was after work hours, so we never reached back home until after 7. But them said we forgot the warehouse to pick up the fridge. So obviously we're downtown, we'll see the fridge, we want pick up the fridge, pay for the fridge, go to the warehouse for the fridge, and come home with the fridge wrap up. You know, sure the warehouse it wrap up, it hasn't been pulled or whatever. On the phone, open the fridge is a completely different fridge. So you know, so we have to call about the people because we get them number. So I had to call them back and we were on the phone. I send them the video because the next fridge that they sent us only had 2 shelves. The fridge that we looked on had 3, right? Which is, this is the fridge that we actually looked at. So the fridge I'm gonna show you before we find what we get. The night that we purchased it, which is the incorrect fridge, had a, so it missing a drawer, so you only have 2 shelves and 1 only per space, so which don't make no sense. The freezer part of the fridge, it will have an ice compartment. This actually you can get water from this fridge, you can also get ice from it. The next one we will get never have that feature there. So we just say like we pay how much money for the fridge. We want the fridge we pay for. So you know, be on the phone and I say if we can't get that fridge, then I'm gonna give back the money. You know, obviously them talk about no refund, blah blah blah. So they had to go to another store to get the fridge. After we toss and bring in the previous fridge, you know, then we have to end up send man, because obviously we have to pay for them carry from the warehouse to here. Plus we have to give them a little extra for help with carrying the fridge, because the fridge big and heavy, right? So them send two guys. Babe did ask them for three, them send two guys. So I have to end up find somebody else and give them a little thing for help with bringing the fridge. One piece of alabalu for take out the fridge when I want out here and bring in the next fridge. And then because the complex that I live in stairs only, so one piece of something for bring down the fridge, because remember obviously they are taking back that fridge. It can't have no dent, it can't have no tear. Guys, one piece of mess. But anyways, we got the fridge that we purchased, which I'm excited for. It's called a French door fridge. It's a Samsung French door. So yeah, I'm not gonna show them I clean it up because I don't have the time for that. But yeah, this is the fridge again. So I'll see y'all in another clip or something.
So guys, we were having some issues with the older fridge, and that's why we had to change out the fridge. And so I must say that it was a good help in terms of the light bill, because we were getting some crazy bill, like some $15,000, $17,000 light bill, and now the bill has drastically reduced. So we knew that the old fridge was the issue as to why our light bill was super high. So I'm really excited that there's now a reduction with our bill.
Hey y'all, so you know, as I mentioned, today is Friday, which means I have work, and so I'm actually doing the weekend journey. I'm actually need to come sit down and start work. Oh my god, I get a call. Okay, the car gone. So I'm actually come sit down and start work. I'm gonna make some tea because I'm actually not eating nothing from morning yet. We usually get like a 15-minute break, so I can just go get a sandwich, but still eat on my desk because I'm home, right? So yeah, but I leave the fridge, so I just wipe it out with bleach or something. I leave the fridge for the bleach scent come out before I plug it in. But yeah, work starts, so I can't really make see the people them name, but yeah, this is start the recon. I'm not worried because I actually just setting up the sheet right now, so yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and I'm actually going to Milpen Clarendon. Shari and I we have a wedding, so I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm not sure if I'll add yesterday, today and tomorrow's vlog together, so we'll see how that works. But for right now, I'm gonna make some tea. Also warming up breakfast because we need to eat something before we leave. Seeing that it's after 8, we need to get to Maypen to start for 10 o'clock. So let's go on the road. Alright, so yes guys, I'm gonna take you with me for the wedding. Alright guys, so this is the fit, regular jeans and my work top. Please ignore the dirty mirror. It needs for clean. Maybe I'll clean the bathroom today. So yo, my head's still tender. Like the bread's still a little bit fresh, but guys, I'll see y'all. Alright guys, so babe dropped me off by Shari and we're on our way to Weeping.
Hi guys, it's the Tash and Shari show.
Right. I'm gonna find something for the way I vlog to him. But yes guys, we're en route, so I don't know all the things already. We don't have nothing to talk about on camera, so we'll just go do the work and thing. Hey guys, so we reach hunting and we're take out the stuff them out of the car. Through a Shari drive, we reach quick time. Anyways, we're super early. Well, not so early.
I don't drive bad. I don't drive
No,
bad.
it's not that you drive bad, but I just drive a little bit slower than you. Nothing wrong with it at so the sun hot, you know, the sun hot bad. Ooh. Okay.
Is here and it's to collect it. I'm so excited.
I can't wait to see the bag where you're buying now.
Yes, the bag.
I want to see it.
One, but it has a place at the bottom to put the stand.
Oh.
Like it's fully into like.
Oh, you mean the ring light bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the ring light
but you
bag.
gonna buy materials and makeup bag you buy still.
Yes. And I'm ready for that yet. I still research that.
Guys, the sun is very hot. What you at? You don't take out? Anxiety constantly, I try to control it. So guys, we'll reach and set up. Nobody's here, so we're waiting. Shari's actually not beside me today. Shari, they're far from me today. Yeah, practice dirt bunks. We can't bother. But yes guys, we're here just waiting. So let's see. I mean, I already said the time that we would start, so if they are late, it's really not my fault. So we're just here waiting to see how long before they get here to start. I actually don't like to come wait, honestly. I don't like to come and wait. So yeah, time is money. Could I sleep a little longer than my bed when I think about it.
So you're not going to use this,
Thank you. Feel like the T-bone up on my tongue now.
This is fine.
Have you ever felt warm? Cold nights, how we do in your 6
Pretty. Should I see her before?
They rich today.
Yeah.
기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead? 근데 있잖아, 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까. 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까. 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔. 불그스름한 노을의 때깔. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead?
Oh God, thank you so much for your service. I love my makeup. It's very beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, we stopped for KFC. We look for Popeyes, but no Popeyes is in Maypen. Well, which part are they right now? So yeah. Alright guys, take 2. So we finished doing what I do and we'll come get some food. We actually here some Popeyes, they're close by, so this have come down in the town. Only if we can't find the Popeyes. So this is how we end up at KFC.
KFC, you
But
think that
today-
Mr. Trainer don't watch?
I don't know, say me I eat properly, no, but I just act like no, no, say me I
Just
eat
act like you
properly.
never ate a piece thing.
But
How would a girl that she think you are a country?
no video don't come. But guys, today was super fun. But yeah, Shari, one girl in a KFC killer dead where video are.
The girl pose up in her.
The girls pose up with that. Oh, girl, sorry for my say bubbles goods. Oh, guys, we had the KFC drive-thru. We had the KFC drive-thru. We didn't know some voice got in and out though. Like my voice sound like it gone again. Hey, I don't know, my ear tight. That's why I scratch it. It tight.
You need a spray, miss.
You need a bread spray? Yeah, I'm going to get one.
It actually helps with the tension. I can't believe the girl actually thinks they're
You
a
know, some
recording.
ask Denzel forget to wait them from bed, same not get it. Hey guys, so it's the 7. I actually came home and Shari and I have been doing some TikTok downstairs. So if you don't want to see the TikTok video them, you can go over to my TikTok at Mstoofine. So you can see how I go with the antics. And after which I came upstairs and I have over 100 WhatsApp messages to go through, so I started responding to some brides that I have coming up. And so yeah, it took me to 7 o'clock. I need to get something to eat again because I'm hungry. Actually did eat and left chicken, so I'm gonna just eat the rest of the chicken, and I have some soup in the fridge which I'm going to drink. Or should I leave that for tomorrow, because I'm gonna go Lime Key tomorrow. So if you guys want to see that vlog, you guys have to stay tuned. Also, I need to take out the SIM card. I need to take out the memory card out of this, transfer the videos to my computer, clear off the memory card so that I can have enough space for tomorrow's vlog. Actually I'm not going to water tomorrow, but you guys have to stay tuned for that video. Shari went home and she got home safely, so I'm just closing out the vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I love you all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
Are you listening? Damn.